Hi everybody. Forget the mountain views for our blind Tibetan Terrier Archie. A great adventure isn't seen, it's felt through the tickle of tall grass against his coat. And the earthy perfume of a hidden woodland trail. Step inside our motorhome as we rediscover the forest through touch, scent and pure unfiltered joy. So come on, come with us.
There's nobody at the side of us here, it's just grass and the forest. So if you look, there's the road through there. So instead of facing towards the road like we would normally, we're facing, if you see up there, look, facing towards the forest.
Try and find the visitor centre.
Nice and quiet, isn't it?
Lots of moles around.
Yes, lots of molehills, look. Right then, which way's to the visitor centre? I'd say down that way, don't you think?
Down yonder.
We'll go that way, but that goes round the campsite.
So this is one of these cycle routes.
Yeah, car park's over that way.
Those woods.
Yeah. Here is the visitor centre. It's a nice cafe, isn't it?
It is, yes.
You come here for your breakfast, or sit out on that veranda. Oh, they've got heaters, look, outside.
Keep your head
warm. Ice cream over there. It's not too busy today though, is it? Well, we've been up to the visitor centre again and we've just had a breakfast and I put some photos on.
Oh, yes.
We decided to come this way, but it's a bit muddy. But it's nearer back to the site. I'm just saying we've just had a breakfast. Look at the molehills. But these little lodges are lovely, aren't they? Now there's no fence around this site, is there? It's just trees.
You just walk into the woods.
Yeah. And there's lots of different paths off the site, isn't there? And we face that way because we wanted to look into the forest. But we have actually got the silver screens on now to keep us warm. It's a nice pitch, isn't it?
Overlooking the forest.
Yeah. We've got a towel down because of Archie's dirty feet.
Yeah. Giving him an appetite.
Always wanting his breakfast now. We had a little bit of it this morning, but he didn't eat it all, did he? Clumber Park isn't very far away from us, but the reason we go there quite a lot is because it's good for Archie. There's lots of walks he can do. You do have to have dogs on a lead if you're round the visitor centre and everything, don't you? But he likes it there.
And there's a dog cafe.
Yes, and we only found that recently, didn't we? I don't think it was a dog calf, was it originally?
No.
But they have made it into a dog calf now, and it's really, really nice. At the back of the calf, there is a garden, isn't there?
Yeah.
down to Clumber Park Lake,
and
around the lake and the visitor centre. It's a really nice area.
You can walk for miles and miles, really. It's quite a large area, isn't it?
But we did actually stay on the campsite as well, didn't we? And there's a lovely walk from the campsite
into woods
the woods and into Clumber Park.
And we're back at our motorhome. Nobody's arrived next to us, have they?
Sit outside?
Yeah. Might get the chairs out and sit in the sunshine for a little while. There we are.
Here we are.
Back.
I'll tie Archie up.
Back home. Archie's tail is now up, look. Can you see?
Oh yeah. He knows
It's funny.
Archie's number one, the top one, is Kettleby Lakes.
Yeah. Brunch than a breakfast. And it's about a 20-minute walk from here. A leisurely 20-minute walk. Because Archie will want to sniff at every corner.
Yeah. I mean, it's only 10 minutes, isn't it, really?
If you walk normally, it's
10. But he has to stop at every bush and...
With him, he has to smell every
I think it's because he's blind now and he likes his sniffs more than the walk.
Archie really likes this because there's a massive dog walking area. Well, there's two massive dog walking areas.
Yes.
And it's a lovely campsite. There's lots of walks actually from the campsite up to the reception where there's a clubhouse and dogs can go in there. So Archie was happy he could go in with us when we went for breakfast.
Yeah.
And there's lots of walks, isn't there, around the lakes? There's about seven lakes.
Seven
Fishing lakes. You know, he really enjoyed that. So he's voted this one to be his number one.
It's a dog walker's paradise.
Yes.